Coity Castle is a medieval fortification located in Bridgend, Wales. It was built around the late 11th century by Sir Payne de Turberville, a Norman knight. The castle has a rich history, including periods of construction, expansion, and various ownership changes. Originally, Coity Castle consisted of a wooden motte and bailey structure. Over time, it was rebuilt in stone, reflecting the evolving architectural trends of the medieval period. The Turberville family, who owned the castle, played a significant role in its development and maintenance. Eventually, it came into the possession of the powerful Morgan family. In the 14th century, during the reign of King Edward III, the castle underwent further expansion and improvements. The Turberville family held the castle until the late 15th century, when it was passed through marriage to the Berkerolles family. During the English Civil War in the 17th century, Coity Castle was damaged and its defensive significance diminished. The Morgans eventually abandoned the castle and it fell into ruin. Today, Coity Castle is managed by Cadw, the Welsh Government's Historic Environment Service, and is open to the public. Visitors can explore the remains of the castle, including the impressive cylindrical keep and other architectural features that provide insights into medieval castle construction and life. Remember, the castle's history is complex and multifaceted, influenced by various factors such as politics, warfare, and societal changes. To delve deeper into its history, you might want to explore academic sources, local history resources, and books dedicated to Welsh castles and medieval history. I hope you're all enjoying the content I create. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. It's totally free, and give us a like, it helps the channel grow. Let's see what it looks like from a bird's eye view. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all on the next one.